there used to be a water tower over there, but it's gone. And so they took it down, and then we got the railroad tracks still here. These railroad tracks actually went across the street and to the other railroad tracks. And this is where they would come in. We would load stuff and everything up on them. But like I said, I worked in that door. We hardly got a chance to move from our spots. We had like 20 minutes for lunch, and so you didn't get to go very far. When I started working here, I found places I had never seen, never knew was here and everything, because it was just, we didn't get a chance to do it, to look around. But there was houses when we passed here on the back side of here. There's a little street, Maxwell Street. There's houses along there, and 12th Street, and on up the street. I'll show you where the cafe and the dry cleaners and the monument place and all that was. It's right up the street. Okay. All right.